at the moment, but that's nothing compared to the sort of temperatures we've seen in central parts of the Mediterranean. In fact, here in Catania and in Malta, temperatures are around about the 100 degrees Fahrenheit mark on Wednesday. Things are going to cool down here over the next few days. We see a gentle northerly wind setting in across many central and eastern parts of the Mediterranean, but at the same time in western parts of Europe, that wind really is going to pick up. In fact, there'll be gale force winds in some parts of the northwest through the weekend and into the beginning of next week. And along with that wind, it's also going to be rather unsettled in many places. Some rain for Geneva and Nice on Sunday. Lisbon will also be rather unsettled with showers or even longer spells of rain. But at least for us, that wind is coming from the right direction. It's coming from the south, picking up all the while through Saturday. Temperatures reaching 17 or 18 degrees Celsius across many parts of England and Wales by then. We then, though, start to see that wind swinging round to the southwest. Look at the size of those arrows. It really is going to be a very windy day in northern parts on Sunday. In fact, gale force winds in many exposed locations. As I said, today temperatures aren't bad at all, a little above average for the time of year this afternoon. 15 degrees in Cardiff and in London. Even in Belfast and Aberdeen we'll see highs of around 12 degrees, and here it's going to be dry and sunny. It really won't feel too bad at all. There has been a band of cloud and a little bit of rain too across some central parts of the country. The rain though really is fizzling out. There's hardly any left at all, and it'll continue to peter out through the rest of the afternoon. There are a few showers though in northwestern parts. They'll continue to come and go throughout the rest of the afternoon, whilst most of us stay dry and fine. Now overnight it's likely to be rather cloudy in the south. In fact, that cloud pushing a little bit further north during the night, perhaps a little drizzly around the coasts and the hills, so it'll be mild here. Temperatures no lower than 8 to 10 degrees, but further north where the skies are clear there'll be some patchy mist and fog, and it'll turn cold. Temperatures down as low as 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, certainly no enough for a ground frost. Now tomorrow this weather front is going to keep things rather cloudy in the west, but really we're looking out into the Atlantic, this next area of low pressure. Weather front sweeping across the country through the weekend, bringing a spell of pretty wet weather. Fairly quiet during tomorrow. In fact, there'll be some mist and fog to start with, that clearing away during the morning, and then it'll be dry and fine. But on Saturday we are going to see that wet weather moving in from the west. Bye-bye.